Powerful earthquake hits China-Kyrgyzstan border. Authorities warn of potentially widespread damage after the 7.0 magnitude quake, with tremors felt in neighboring countries. A 7.0 magnitude earthquake has struck along the China-Kyrgyzstan border as authorities warned of potentially widespread damage. The China Earthquake Network Center said the quake hit Wushu County and Aksu prefecture shortly after 2 a.m. local time, and about 200 rescuers were dispatched to the epicenter. 6 people are reported to have been injured and more than 120 homes have been damaged or collapsed in the freezing cold weather. Of the 6 people hurt, 2 had serious injuries and 4 were minor. In addition, 47 houses collapsed, 78 houses were damaged, and some agricultural structures collapsed, the government of the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region posted on its official Weibo account. The quake downed power lines, but electricity was quickly restored. State broadcaster CCTV said there were several aftershocks since the main quake, registering up to 4.5 magnitude. Tremors were felt as far away as the neighboring countries Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan. In the Kazakhstan city of Almaty, people left their homes to seek refuge in the street after the quake caused walls to shake and furniture to shift.